Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just playing around today. Thought I'd show you how you could draw this. It kind of looks like a folded, I don't even know what you call it. But just playing around. Take the Polygon tool and set it on just four sides. Hold down the control button. Now what we're going to do is take the shape tool and convert one of these to a curve. So I right click and turn it into a curve. And then I'm going to take and curve my line. Well, actually, I probably need to back up here and see if I can't select both these and turn them into a curve. Because then you want to be able to move this triangular piece around just any which way, maybe even delete that node and see what happens. Whoop, that's what happened. So we're going to take this and put a little curve to it here. Now I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page because this is pretty important to bring in indexing lines. I've got my indexing lines turned off, so here you are. And you can see we're going right through the points. So two trains of thought, we can control D and make a duplicate while holding down the shift key. We're going to bring this into it's quite a bit smaller. I'm going to make a copy of that and move it over because we're going to do it a little bit different. Two different ways. Take the blend tool from the toolbox and just go from here to there. And you can make as many or as little as you want. The only thing, you don't want these lines to cross. So what you could do is take the pick tool or the shape tool and move this node out and move it out as little as you can so it still kind of remains a shape and still has no cross lines. And then just take your smart fill tool. I'm going to have to zoom in. You only have to zoom in like on that much of it. Take the smart fill tool and fill in every other line. And if you don't have the lines cleared out enough, they won't go all the way through, and they did. So once we take away the outline by right-clicking, it looks like that. It looks like a wavy pattern. Now the other way you could do it, let's move that out of the way and let's move this into the picture. And let's rotate this guy just a little bit. Now we're going to take the shape tool, or the blend tool, and go from there to there. And you get already a different look, but your lines are a little bit better. But this is your first blend, so you can manipulate the lines around. So same thing. And you can, do a lot with the handles and make it whatever shape you want. So it looks almost the same. And maybe I could have spun this original one a little bit more, and you could do that afterwards. And that's what you're going to get. Pretty cool effect, just playing around. Take the Smart Fill tool and fill in every other line. And if the lines are touching, the Smart Fill will not go through. Kind of a wavy effect. Take away the outline, and that looks pretty cool. Anyway, just playing around. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.